Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're reviewing the 700W Cordless Vacuum Cleaner for home, a versatile cleaning solution designed to deliver strong suction, extended runtime, and multi-surface cleaning performance. If you're looking for a cordless vacuum that can handle pet hair, hardwood floors, carpets, dorm rooms, apartments, and everyday household messes, this model is worth considering. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its powerful 700W brushless motor. Compared to many standard cordless vacuums, the high-power motor helps generate strong suction capable of picking up dust, dirt, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from a variety of surfaces. Whether you're cleaning hardwood floors, low-pile carpets, rugs, or furniture, the vacuum is designed to maintain effective cleaning performance. A major advantage is the inclusion of two 8000 mAh rechargeable batteries. Battery life is often one of the biggest concerns with cordless vacuums, but having dual batteries allows for significantly extended cleaning sessions. Large homes, multi-room cleaning, and deep cleaning projects become much easier without constantly worrying about recharging. The vacuum features 3 cleaning modes, allowing users to balance suction power and battery efficiency depending on the cleaning task. Lower modes are ideal for everyday dust and debris, while higher modes provide additional power for stubborn dirt, pet hair, and carpet cleaning. This flexibility helps maximize both cleaning effectiveness and runtime. Its 6-in-1 design adds versatility to the overall package. The vacuum can quickly convert from a full-size stick vacuum into a handheld cleaner, making it suitable for stairs, couches, upholstery, shelves, curtains, car interiors, and tight spaces. The included attachments help users reach corners, edges, and difficult areas that are often challenging to clean. Pet owners will appreciate the vacuum's ability to capture pet hair from floors, furniture, and rugs. Combined with strong suction and specialized cleaning attachments, it can help maintain a cleaner home environment while reducing the effort required for daily maintenance. The lightweight cordless design improves maneuverability and convenience. Without being restricted by power cords, users can move freely between rooms and floors. This makes the vacuum particularly useful for dorm rooms, apartments, offices, and homes where quick cleaning sessions are common. The rechargeable brushless motor system is also designed to provide efficient performance while reducing wear compared to traditional brushed motors. This may contribute to improved durability and quieter operation during regular use. Overall, the 700W Cordless Vacuum Cleaner offers a compelling combination of powerful suction, dual battery convenience, multiple cleaning modes, handheld versatility, and pet-friendly performance. For users seeking a cordless vacuum capable of handling a variety of cleaning tasks around the home, this model provides strong value and flexibility. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to check out the product using the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gadget reviews and buying guides here on Gadgetverse.